my little kids, I am back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to write small letter ABCD. I am using different types of holy color to make a rainbow page. I am using the light blue color. Now I am using the purple color. Let's use the red color. The rainbow color page is ready. Now it's time to writing. Here I am using my finger to write small letter ABCD. This is A. A for apple. B. B for ball. C. C for cat. D. D for dog. E. E for elephant. F. F for fish. Z. Z for grapes. H. H for hat. I for ice cream. J. J for juice. K. K for kite. L. L for lamp. M. M for mango. N. N for nest. O. O for octopus. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video for you. Till then, bye my little kids.